alongside a sturdy, healthy stallion. Do you think it will just to let them start the race from the same mark? Similarly, I believe that expecting a community that has been constant disadvantage, incapable of competing and surviving among those without any such impediments whatsoever is nothing but encouraging an unjust race to be played out. I just took the example is actually the explanation given by the eminent sociologist Andrew Bitte on caste inequalities on India. The bill seeks to include certain synonymous communities in respect of entries in the list of scheduled caste for the state of Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Tripura, and exclusion in respect of entries in the case of Sikkim. It appears in the bill that due to non-availability of caste-wise data, a precise estimate of expenditure which would have to be incurred is not possible. So I would like to request the Honourable Minister, through you, that government should conduct a caste-wise survey in order to determine such expenditure which might be incurred. I would like to bring to the notice of the House that our Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, has introduced a unique scheme, Shiksha-Shri, to encourage the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and backward class students towards the welfare of the backward class students, and as well as for their social and economical upliftment. Our government has already introduced 9.5 lakhs caste certificates, and an online procedure has been introduced to expedite the process. It is evident that with inclusion of more caste under the scheduled caste category, government will require more funds to make sure that every such member is enabled to access all opportunities and facilities. So I would like to request to the Honourable Minister, through you, that government might consider it beneficial to revise the fund allocation towards the welfare of the scheduled caste communities. I, on behalf of my party, would like to extend support wholeheartedly to the Bill Scheduled Caste Amendment Order 2014.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.